Shakas, hello crafty friends, it's Maka from Makaz Home. I'm here today to announce my second giveaway for the month of November, thanking my subbies for reaching me to 500 in the month of October. I appreciate you so much. And if you see, I'll leave a link to the video here of my first giveaway. This is my second giveaway this month. And stay tuned to the end and you can see the playlist. But my second giveaway will be these nested mittens and this word beautiful that has the word and the shadow cut out. So that is the second giveaway. I do have this right here so I can show you. This is like the mitten. I believe this is the big one, and see the stitching around. And then I layered the next layer. So it does have like every size has a shadow piece and a stitched layer. And these are X's and these are just stitched. So yeah, you have to be a visible subscriber of my channel. You must be 18 years or older. International is welcome. I am doing the announcement for this winner on Tuesday, November 10th. So this is a short one. You need to fill, you only have today, Sunday, and tomorrow to comment. And the comment will be your favorite vacation spot. Either a destination, like a state, a country, or a venue, or whatever. Favorite, you know, like Disneyland would be mine. Favorite vacation spot. Thank you so much to all of you who support me. I appreciate it so much. I am trying to grow my channel. If you know of any people who would be interested in crafty and Disney videos, please share my channel with them. I would appreciate it. If you're new here and want to follow me on this crafty journey, go ahead and click that subscribe button. For more videos like these, see here and here. And until my next video, shakas!